Hi everyone, just coming to you with an update, fall update of the garden. How's it going? It's going pretty well. So I'm gonna just go around and take you all and show you what's been growing and how's everything doing. So we're gonna start off with the Ruby Perfection cabbage. It's doing pretty good. Look at this, it's so pretty. They're doing good. They're doing really good. And then in between, I sowed some lettuce seeds. It's doing good. And over here we have the red onions. Yeah, yep, red onions. You can see the red. They're coming up pretty good. Right here. So yep, I planted some over here. They've all sprouted and doing good. And I put a sugar snap pea over here. Yes. And then we have the Touchstone Gold beets right up front. They're doing really good. I'm excited to see how they're turn out, because I love the juice beets. Yeah, to make them into a juice. And they're looking really good. The tops look good. Yes. Come on, beets. Then we have our Swiss chard back here. Just doing good. I have, oh, look at this. I might need to wipe that off. I have been coming out here harvesting from them, and they just keep going back. As you can see, the heart of it is still good. They'll keep going back. Just pluck out the outer side of the leaves. And yeah, they're doing good. Good. Might need to get those bigger ones out of here. But here we sowed the lettuce seeds earlier in the beginning of fall. I just threw a bunch of them in here. I need to come chop them up. Yep, all of the lettuce have come and sprung up. And then this is that cabbage, that struggling cabbage that I had planted down here. And it's look like it's pretty, doing pretty good. I might want to move it, and I probably need to push it down some more in the soil. But it's doing real good, actually. Yeah. Yes, cabbage, come on. And then over here, we have, oh, the carrots have popped up. They're doing good. And this doesn't even look like a lettuce. The stem of that is thick. Is this lettuce? I don't know. Looks like it. We'll see. Who knows? Who knows? We're just going with the flow. And I had planted those red mustard seeds back there, but the aphids got really bad, really bad. So I just snatched them up because it was driving me crazy. I know I could have like just wiped them off, and you know, they might have kept thriving and surviving, but yeah, you know, I just snatched them up. I couldn't do it. I could have, but I didn't. So yeah, that's what happened with the giant red mustard seeds that were back there. It was still pretty warm, like at the beginning of the fall, when you know it's still like trying to be summertime but still fall. Yeah, the aphids were still pretty much out here doing what they do best, sucking the life out of plants. But yeah, that's what happened with those. Over here, this purple ruby is doing really good. Look at the leaves on this. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. So excited. I actually looked up a recipe that I found. Actually my grandma did this. And I think what I'm gonna do is like with the red ones and the green ones, you can actually pluck the outside of the leaves and cook them just like collards or anything else. But I want to make cabbage rolls. Like you stuff them with your type of meat that you want, your rice, and then you put like the marinara sauce on top and cook them, and they are really good. So I'm excited about using every part of the plant that is grown. So yeah, that's that. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. Look at this. Look at the veins. Oh my god, the color is so vibrant and pretty. But yeah, let's see what we got. Did I think I showed, I don't think I did. These are the spinach. They're doing okay. They're taking a little bit of hit with the bud damage, but that's all right. They're still thriving and surviving. And I think a couple of these radishes that I planted, the aphids have got to them pretty good. But what you do is, like you can see some in here. Yep, they out here chilling. So just wipe them off. They got to go. All right, have a nice day. I'm so sorry. Yeah, but they're doing good. And then we have the lettuce back here. I don't know what type this is, but I know it's a different type because of the shape of the outer leaves. So yeah, but they're doing pretty good. Doing real good actually. I'm gonna come out here and chop this as well. But yep, and I think this is a volunteer onion. Yeah, I don't know where it come from, but it's there. That's the lettuce bed out here. Oops. Oh, water just splashing everywhere, huh? Okay. More cabbage. These are the green cabbages. They're doing really good. The only thing about like the fall plants, they get really big and wide. You can't plant too much. I mean, I guess you can, but yeah, I don't mind. It looks really good, really pretty. But they're doing good. And the Brussels sprouts, they're not taking off like I want them to, because they're pretty much still the same. But I think my thing is, like, I need to come out here and feed them more often than I have been doing. But they're still growing at a pretty good rate. But I need to get on keeping a schedule on doing that. And this part, I'm planning on transferring these somewhere else because I'm redoing the garden. So I just dug them up and set them here for now. Hopefully I'll get them back down on the ground in time before they start to wither away. Look at the stalk on that Swiss chard. That's pretty thick. Yeah. So yeah, that's that. Let's go here. Let's see what's going on out here. Pass this down. Okay. This contraption that I made to keep the rabbits out of here because they came through at the beginning of fall and ate all my Brussels sprouts out of this bed and then started on the kale. But yeah, I went ahead and made this whole little setup for now, temporary. Oh, look at this mustard seed. I think it's trying to do something else. I think I harvest like 3 good times off of these 2 plants, but probably need to come out here and feed it and water it, and it'll bounce back. Don't look too bad though. It just look kind of dry and maybe a little yellow. Yeah, and the aphids. Yeah, see, there we go. Sucking the life out of the plant. So that's probably the problem with this. I need to come in here and just probably chop it all down and keep my eye out for them. Over here we have the onions in front. Yes, onions. And I think these are the purple as well. I think I planted a lot of purple. Yeah, I think that's all I had actually. And then the cabbages. So really good. And then, oh, this actually looks like a mustard green plant. Yeah. So I have, I actually have a couple of more mustards that I probably thrown down here. And some radishes. Doing good. Yeah, I don't know what that is. It may be I have no clue. I really don't know. Because I remember just coming in and throwing some seeds down to see what it would do. And yeah, we're just gonna see what it does. It's looking like it's doing pretty good. So, Jesus. Oh, the onions. I need to come put some more, a little bit more compost on top of these, because these are kind of exposed. And they should be a little bit underway under the dirt. But they're sprouting pretty good. You can actually chop the tops and use these for whatever dish. Yeah. I think this is a flower that I planted. And it looked like it's trying to sprout. It looks pretty though, even at this state. Yeah. They're kind of like the roses. I forgot the name of them. I think they start with an R, but they're not roses, but they might be in the roses family. But yeah, that's them. And more onions, and I planted some garlic down here. More flowers. Here is the dinosaur tail. You're doing pretty good. And then over there is what is that? I think that's a collard right there that I just plopped in from the greenhouse. And then more dinosaur kale, sugar pea, dinosaur kale. I don't think anything. Did I plant? Oh, I did. I think I planted some flowers. But yeah, I'm planning on redoing the whole garden slowly but surely before springtime come back around. So I did get some of these raised beds that I want to use. I'm gonna see how they do. But yeah, that's the start of it. We're gonna make it happen. We're gonna get it done slowly but surely. I don't think I showed y'all starter plants that I had going that I need to come out here and feed. Actually, I'm trying. Have the broccoli. I think I sold. Okay, look at that. I'm trying to look for the date. Sold these on the 15th of October. And this is what they're doing. I have not really fertilized them as often as I should. I think I did it one good time with the all-purpose fertilizer. As you can see, that's what that little stuff is. But I actually got some liquid fertilizer that I want to try from Fox Farm, and it's worm casting liquid fertilizer and something else. I need to go see, but that's what I'm gonna start using to feed the plants so they can directly get the nutrients that they need. So yeah, I think that's it. I hope you all enjoyed the update of the garden tour. There will be more to come, more updates, more upgrades, and yeah, let's go out and sow a seed, you guys.